Before we jump into this video, I just want to apologize in advance because there's quite a bit of noticeable background noise as well as wind noise in this video. So I just want to apologize in advance, but I do feel like I picked up some pretty good footage that I think you guys will still enjoy. So let's go ahead and jump right in this video. Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I've got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Now I'm back out at my local off-road slash ATV park. I've been here before with my Traxxas X-Max, but I decided today to stop with the cheapest Traxxas Slash project and see how well it fares with some of these big jumps and whether or not it will be able to take the abuse. I'm super interested to know. Now the cheapest Traxxas Slash project probably looks a little bit different because I swapped out the wheels and tires. So I've had an issue with spinning wheel hexes on this thing. Even though I've had the removable wheel hexes from Proline, I have to keep on replacing them. It seems like every single time I take this thing out to bash, I'm spinning a wheel hex. So in the end, I decided to get these cheap wheels and tires off eBay. I think the brand is All-Star, so I think that's spelled A-U-S-T-A-R or something like that. I think they're real beadlocks, but I'm actually not 100% sure. I think they are. I think these are actual beadlocks since these are actual hex screws. But I just decided to go with some cheap ones and see if these hold up. I do have aluminum wheel hexes on this machine as well, in the back and the front. Now the fronts aren't going to be a problem. The fronts aren't going to strip, but we'll see if the rears do. Also guys, if you didn't see the most recent upgrade video, I switched all to RPM stuff. So basically I'm running RPM front and rear shock towers now. I'm running the Proline Power Stroke shocks in the front and the back. And also I am running the Proline transmission. This is the Proline, I think, Pro Series transmission, which has 32 pitch gears. I think that I have that mated to a 13 or 14 tooth pinion. So we're going to see how she fares today, guys. I'm running a 3S pack. So let me get her started. We're going to jump right in this video. Here we go. On the throttle. We'll see how this transmission holds up. This transmission shouldn't have any problems, at least I hope not. It costs like 120 bucks. Here we go, coming back in this direction, guys. Nice. Ooh. We're on all four. I have no type of TSM because I don't know if you guys saw the most recent video, but I had to switch to a different controller and transmitter, or a different receiver and transmitter, because my TSM receiver went out a couple videos back. It just started glitching and the thing didn't have good throttle. It had surging going on with the throttle, so there's a bunch of issues with it, so I had to swap it out to a Spectrum one. So I have no type of TSM. This does have ABC, it's ABC capable, but I don't have it turned on. But let's go ahead and bring her back in this direction, guys. Here we go, on the throttle. Sweet, that's pretty good air actually. Yeah. Let's bring her back. Ooh. Nice. If you thought that was pretty sweet, guys, give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And here's some of the guys on the ATVs right back here. I can see them. I know there's a couple trailers in the parking lot and you can hear the ATVs, so I knew somebody was driving around. I just don't want to be in anybody's way. Let's go up over to these jumps over here. Ooh, on all four. Sweet, here we go. I think the red beadlocks look really good. Whoa, got some air under the body there. I think the red beadlocks look really good, especially with the red body. That's why I switched the red body back on. The red body's actually still holding up pretty good because I did Gorilla Tape this body. So it's still holding together pretty good. And of course I do have the Proline clipless body mount system on now. And actually, even though it's super dusty out, these appear to be hooking up pretty decent in this really, really soft dirt. Ooh, nosedived it. Pinned. There's a berm right there. Let's get down in that berm. Into that berm. Ooh, that was painful. Into that berm again, guys. Here we go. Ooh, we've got an issue, guys. We got an issue. Guys, the wheel came off. The tire, I mean. You gotta be joking with me. Let me go back to the vehicle, go look for my Allen's keys, and I'll try to get this put back on, and hopefully we'll still be able to rip around here a little bit. Be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I had to tighten up that beadlock ring. Hopefully that tire will stay on. We will see. So let's go ahead and let's keep on going. Sweet. At least I didn't spin a wheel hex. That would have been worse. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna get down there, and I think we're gonna go over to some of these jumps, maybe over here. Here we go. Oh, the wind just caught underneath of that. All right, keep on going. We'll back it up there a little bit more. All right, and from there, here we go, guys. Giving her some throttle. Nice. Bringing her back. I can't give her too much throttle or she will spin out, especially not having any type of gyro feature. Ooh, nosedived it. Sweet. That one landed a little bit better. Ooh. Off the track. Oh, we lost it again. Was it the same tire? I think that was the same side, guys. You gotta be joking me. I mean, these were cheap, but are they cheap enough where they should only last like a minute and a half? Gosh, dang it. Well, I still got the tools. I'll put it back on and see if it holds for a little while longer. Because I'm all the way out here and this is RC. This is the only RC I brought. So I'm gonna have to make do with what I got. All right, this is gonna be take number 3. So I screwed her down as tight as she'll go. So hopefully this works. How about flyby? Here we go. Rolling onto the throttle. Can't get all the power down. Spin her around, bring her back in this direction, guys. Here we go. Mouthful of dust. Flyby. That wasn't the tire again, was it? Oh, I thought I saw something get flung up. Okay, the tire's still on there, we're good. These tires still actually get better traction probably than the stock tires. They don't get as good a traction as, like, let's say a Proline Badlands would. But let's try jumping these ones up here, guys. Here we go, take her down that way a little ways. Spin her around. We got this nice little jump off right here. And here we go. Just easing onto the throttle. 2/3 throttle, 3/4. Ooh. You know what, we're on all four. No control once I get that thing in the air. None. Spin it around, bring it back. Really got to try to line it up, otherwise there's no chance. Ooh, and she died. She might have hit low voltage mode, guys. Luckily I have another couple batteries up there with me, so I'll get her swapped out and we will keep on ripping. All right, guys, I've got a 4,000 milliamp 3-cell pack swapped in. So let's try this out again. We should probably do a launch real quick. We have not done a launch yet. Ready? Get set, go. Ooh, hit a rock. Alrighty, guys, here we go right now with the Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. We're gonna send it. Oh, we lost the wheel. Are you serious? It flew off again, guys. Well, this has been a bit of a bummer, but if you guys liked me testing this out anyway, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That tire does not want to stay on. For whatever reason, she don't want to stay on whatsoever. Alrighty, guys, unfortunately she broke again. The tire came off, the bead lock is not holding in place. Now we got some guys driving their dirt bikes around on the track. I just talked to them and I told them I'd get off the track because I obviously don't want my RC car and I don't want to be hit by them. So it's like, I think 4 or 5 guys now ripping on the little motocross track over here. So unfortunately I'm done, guys. I can't really do a whole lot about it at this point. I'll try to get her fixed back up, but I'm kind of disappointed with how this bead lock's been holding up. It doesn't hold up. I think it's like when this tire spins more, like when I'm going around a curve, it just somehow this just slips right off. It's kind of really ticking me off. But there's the guys right there doing their jumps and everything. But anyway, guys, if you want to applaud my effort, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. I'll be back out here again, probably with the cheapest Traxxas Slash. Other than the wheel and the tire, other than the tire coming off, she's held up pretty well, I guess. But anyway, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Take it easy, guys.